Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Maxx Rc Car Traxxas is probably one of the most exciting and powerful remote control vehicles on the market, designed for enthusiasts who crave speed, durability, and an unparalleled off-road experience. This beast is engineered with high-performance components, ready to tackle any terrain with its robust chassis and advanced suspension system, promising an adrenaline-pumping adventure whether you're bashing through mud, conquering jumps, or racing at top speeds. If you're looking for a truly immersive and thrilling RC experience that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, the Maxx Rc Car Traxxas is a serious contender that demands your attention. Number 5. DEERC 9206E DIY 110 Scale RC Monster Truck. Experience the thrill of high-speed off-road adventure with this powerful remote control monster truck. Its robust 4x4 design and durable components ensure an exhilarating ride every time. Unleash your creativity with the included transparent car shell. Imagine, design, and build your own unique RC car, making it a true reflection of your style. Conquer any surface, from sandy beaches to rocky trails, with its advanced metal oil-filled shock absorbers. This vehicle is built to handle it all, protecting its internal components for lasting fun. Keep the excitement going with 2 high-quality rechargeable batteries. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of continuous driving, ensuring your adventures aren't cut short. Master every turn and accelerate with confidence thanks to the proportional throttle and steering control. Its 2.4 GHz system offers precise handling up to 100 meters, perfect for beginners and experts alike. Don't let darkness stop the fun. With bright LED headlights, you can continue your adventures even after the sun goes down, ensuring unobstructed driving. Looking for the perfect gift? This high-speed RC car is an ideal present for anyone who loves excitement and adventure, fostering imagination and providing hours of entertainment. What we like. This RC car offers a unique DIY experience with an extra shell for customization. It boasts impressive speeds of over 48 km/h and extended playtime of over 40 minutes thanks to its dual batteries. If you're looking for a customizable RC car that provides long-lasting fun and high speed, this is a great choice for both beginners and hobbyists. What people say. It holds a pretty good charge, it's fast. The controller response is amazing. Our yard is a little hilly and it handles the hills great. Jumps right over sticks and rocks, no problem running through leaves. The durability is top-notch and it handles bumps and crashes without issues. The batteries are strong, I get about 20 minutes of full-speed play, and around 12 minutes running hard in grass. Fast, fun, and built solid. It screams on asphalt, and slides through turns in dirt. It handles jumps with aplomb, but it's also got enough traction and clearance to be able to move along smartly in short grass and even leaves. The 4-wheel drive, aggressive tread pattern, and plentiful torque make it a sure-footed scrambler on uneven, near-vertical terrain. Number 4. RLAARLO 112 Brushless RC Cars. Experience the thrill of high-speed off-roading with this powerful RC car. Its advanced brushless motor system is designed to reach incredible speeds, making every adventure exhilarating. Don't let the weather stop your fun. This remote control car features a waterproof design and a robust build, ready to tackle any terrain in any condition. Take command with its advanced electronic system, offering precise control and an impressive range of up to 350 meters. You'll have the freedom to explore further than ever before. Built to last, this RC car boasts a reinforced metal drive system and an anti-collision design. Its durable chassis and shocks are ready to withstand the toughest challenges. Enjoy a balanced and smooth driving experience thanks to its enhanced stability features. Anti-roll bars and a special transmission system ensure optimal handling even at high speeds. This is more than just a toy, it's a hobby-grade RC truck designed for enthusiasts. With its high-performance components, it offers a truly immersive and exciting remote control experience. What we like. Experience extreme speed with this RC car, capable of reaching up to 80 kph thanks to its high-performance brushless motor system. It's built for all-terrain adventures with enhanced stability and a rugged anti-collision design. If you crave top-tier speed and a durable, high-performance RC experience on any surface, this buggy is designed for you. What people say. The car is very fast and durable, handling rough terrain with ease. Excellent steering response and good suspension system make it fun to drive. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended play sessions. Number 3. Traxxas T-Maxx 3.3 Red Monster Truck. Experience the thrill of the TRX 3.3 racing engine. It delivers massive power and torque to all four wheels, letting you conquer any terrain at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Stay in command with the TG 2.4 GHz transmitter and Traxxas Link wireless module. It features factory-installed telemetry sensors and TSM stability control for a superior driving experience. Enjoy optimized performance with tunable, sealed differentials and an auto-shifting 2-speed transmission. These features ensure smooth power delivery across all conditions. Get started right away with everything included. It comes ready to drive with NIMH receiver pack, easy start battery, chargers, and essential accessories. Tackle any challenge with its extended chassis and heavy-duty components. The all-terrain tires on mirror chrome wheels provide exceptional grip and style. What we like. This monster truck is powered by a potent TRX 3.3 racing engine, delivering massive power and torque for conquering any terrain at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. It also features Traxxas stability management for a controlled ride and comes ready to drive with all necessary accessories. If you want a powerful, stable, and hassle-free nitro-powered RC experience right out of the box, this is the truck for you. What people say. It's got a lot of power and is super fast. Was exactly what I ordered. So far very easy to learn and run for 13-year-old driver. Number 2. Traxxas Maxx Wide Green RC Monster Truck. Introducing the Traxxas Maxx Wide Green, a 110 scale 4WD RC monster truck ready for adventure. Experience incredible power and performance right out of the box. Its robust four-wheel drive system is built to conquer any terrain. Get ready for thrilling acceleration and unmatched control with this incredible machine. This ready-to-run model comes equipped with a 2.4 GHz radio system for seamless control. Just add your battery and charger and you're set for excitement. For the ultimate speed and power, Traxxas recommends a 4-cell 14.8V LiPo battery. This will unlock its full potential for an exhilarating experience. If you opt for a 3-cell 11.1V LiPo battery, you'll still enjoy great performance, though it will be slightly reduced. NIMH batteries are not supported for optimal operation. Get ready to redefine RC fun with the Traxxas Maxx Wide Green. It's engineered for durability, speed, and non-stop action. What we like. This model is designed for maximum performance, recommending a 4-cell LiPo battery for speeds exceeding 55 miles per hour. Its WIDEMAXX chassis provides enhanced stability, and it features waterproof electronics for worry-free driving in various conditions. If you're seeking an exhilarating, high-speed RC experience with the flexibility to upgrade for peak performance and the ability to drive through wet conditions, this truck is an excellent option. What people say. This RC car is impressive, its design is tough and sturdy, its performance, speed and durability. The Maxx is big, durable, takes a ton of bashing, but is easy to clean and maintain. It is very durable. The runtime is perfect for fathers with kids. Just go to the park and when it dies it's been about 35 to 40 minutes and time to go home. Number 1. Maxx with WIDEMAXX Red. Experience blistering speeds of over 55 miles per hour right out of the box. All it takes is a single 4S LiPo battery, sold separately, to unlock this incredible performance. Traxxas stability management ensures you stay in control, even at high speeds. Combined with the TG 2.4 GHz high-output radio system, you get precise handling and a superior driving experience. Conquer any terrain with the VXL4's waterproof electronic speed control. It's paired with a powerful Valinian 540XL brushless motor for relentless performance in all conditions. Built on a strong modular composite chassis, this system is designed for durability and easy maintenance. Its robust construction can handle the most demanding adventures. Get ready for the ultimate in RC excitement. This system offers unparalleled speed, control, and durability for endless fun. What we like. Achieve blistering speeds of over 55 miles per hour right out of the box with a single 4's LiPo battery. It features a convenient clipless body mount system for quick access and a modular composite chassis for durability and ease of maintenance. If you're looking for an RC car that offers incredible speed with minimal setup and a user-friendly design for quick battery changes and repairs, this is the one. What people say. The 1/10 Maxx is the perfect size for a novice or veteran. With a little practice, a few crashes, and some luck, you can also be pulling backflips with your Maxx in no time. This V2 flies through the air better than previous one did, and it handles better with the longer chassis. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.